Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your side hustle with Patreon, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To fix your side hustle with Patreon, start by identifying your audience. Consider who your supporters are and what they value most. Next, set clear goals for your Patreon page. Define what you want to achieve and how Patreon can support those goals. Now, create compelling membership tiers. Each tier should offer unique benefits that appeal to different levels of support. Be transparent about what supporters will receive at each level. After setting up tiers, focus on your content strategy. Decide what kind of exclusive content you will provide. This could include behind-the-scenes access, early releases, or special Q&A sessions. Make sure to communicate consistently with your patrons. Use updates and posts to keep them engaged and informed. Promote your Patreon on your existing platforms. Share the link on social media, your website, and any newsletters. Consider offering a limited-time incentive for new supporters. This can drive urgency and encourage sign-ups. Monitor your Patreon analytics regularly. Pay attention to what content resonates best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Engage with your community by responding to comments and feedback. Building a relationship with your supporters is key to long-term success. Finally, keep refining your approach based on feedback and performance. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt as you learn what works best. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.